How to post a job in Facebook, hire from Facebook. So apparently, on February 22, 2023, Facebook already removed the job posting feature. However, it's still possible to post job opportunities by using Facebook groups. So first, go to the search bar on Facebook, then search for the niche of what type of job you're looking to give. For example, search video editing jobs. Then on the left side, click groups. Here you can see all the Facebook groups about jobs in editing videos. Just click join on the groups you want to post your job opportunity to. You might need to fill up request forms in some of the groups. Just complete them, then wait for the admins to accept you. Once you're in the group, click on the text box with the phrase write something to start your post. Just type in the job description you're giving out and just hit on post. Now just wait for applicants to comment. And from here, you can just wait for your applicants to comment or message you. So that is how to post a job in Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.